Babies between 3 and 6 months can be lovely and enjoyable. They have come a long way in first 3 months. By this time, they would have understood their own mother. Let's see what your little ones can do in 3 to 6 months of stage. Number 1. Your 3 months baby's nerve system is maturing and your stomach can accommodate more milk or formula. Number 2. Your baby day schedule sleep have come to a routine and they sleep for nearly 2 hours. Number 3. You can try putting your baby for a tummy time around 4th month so they can start to roll over. Most of the kids accomplish this task around 6th or 7th month. Number 4. Babies can now make eye contact to those who are talking. Number 5. For some babies, teething can start at this period. Number 6. Now you can see babies staring at an object. That's because now they can see colors better. Number 7. In this period, they laugh and giggle a lot. Number 8. They will start to recognize their own names. Number 9. Uses babbling to get their attention. Number 10. Can track a moving object continuously. Number 11. Plays with their feet and tries to bring to their mouth. Number 12. Tries to reach for toys when on tummy time. Number 13. By end of the 6th month, baby can sit on their own without any support. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.